Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn about Shakespeare's study, about Shakespeare Tempest, the character Caliban. What does this character Caliban represents? We are trying learn about the Caliban, the character as missing link, the missing link in Darwinian evolution. Let's say it. Caliban as missing link, or Shakespeare's Darwin, The Tempest. This is Professor Glenn Love. Glenn Love is a modern professor who specializes in relationship between literature and the life science, especially biology. Love finds many interesting parallels between modern scientific theory and Shakespeare. First about Caliban, let's see what Trinculo says about Caliban, who he is. Uh, Trinculo here, what he says when he first met Caliban. What have we here? A man or a fish, dead or alive? See, Caliban thinks first is something between man and fish. He is confused. See, then see the red letter, legged like a man and his fins like arms. Caliban's legs are like man, but arms are like fish. So it says that Caliban is something between man and fish. So it can be assumed that it's something talking about Darwinian evolution, the Darwinian missing link between man and animal. Now, Charles Darwin lived, Shakespeare lived before Charles Darwin by saying for a few centuries before. So it's not scientific to think that Shakespeare was influenced by Darwin, but we can find that in Greek mythology, Greek philosophy, there is a theory of evolution also. It's Anaximander of Greece. Anaximander formulated a theory on the origin and evolution of life. He believed that life originated in the sea from the moist element, which was evaporated by the sun. The presence of the shells and marine fossil was for him the proof that the sea covered much of Earth's surface. He postulated that humans must have originated in the sea and have originally resembled fish. So, see, Anaximander thinks that man actually resembled fish and man originated in the sea. So Anaximander had idea that man came from fish. So William Shakespeare must have studied Greek philosophy and influenced by Anaximander. So he thought there can be a species which is intermediate between man and fish, and Caliban is that missing link. Shakespeare envisioned a Darwinian missing link a few centuries before Darwin. Now we come to a related point. We come to a modern literature. Uh, Alexander believes the amphibian. What happens in amphibian? A surgeon, Dr. Salvador, operates on a red Indian boy and transforms into an amphibian man. He was called Ichthyander. This Ichthyander could live both water and land. So it is it is consensus that Alexander Belayev was influenced by Darwin's theory of evolution because Ichthyander is uh, in between man and animal. It's also hypothesized that, like in Haeckel's law, that uh, early embryo stage of embryo uh, has fish-like gills. So why can't have man fish-like gills. So Ichthyander was that experiment. Ichthyander was uh, given shark gills to see whether he can breathe under the water. So like Alexander Believ was influenced by Darwin evolution, Shakespeare was uh, influenced by Anaximander's Greek philosophy of evolution. So Shakespeare studied Anaximander and got the influence of Greek theory of evolution and portrayed Caliban as the missing link. So thank you everybody for watching my video.